In the past, it was lousy. Our town has went to hell in a basket. Literally, we have an opioid problem. We have people living in their cars. It's getting pretty cold now. Good friends of mine, people that work for me, but now have an opioid addiction, and they're in trouble. I've got some very good friends. Number one, the ex-premier who I helped elect, and the Hatherley family from Gordon Bay Marine. Both of those individuals, families, have helped the town of Parry Sound in the past. Ernie Eves helped me one time. He got me a $1 million grant to develop the waterfront. They did nothing with the waterfront in 30 years.